Hi everyone, we are heading to our second Hanukkah party and the holiday hasn't started yet. You're gonna go with your kids to many different houses, places. These places are gonna be overstimulating for them. One tip that could really help your child regulate their behavior is that if you check in with them every half hour, every 20 minutes, every 15 minutes, just call them to you, sit with them for like a minute, no more than that, maybe less. Have them sip some water and ask them how they're doing. Try to give them a hug or something like that, just so that they have a break in between those times that they are playing. Again, you're taking them to places that are overstimulating and their behavior can be dysregulated. It could be a little bit rowdy, just so you know that they're not. Be attentive. And even if you're meeting with your friends, especially dads, you see your friends and you forget yourself, you think you're in a party, just remember that if you go with your family, first and foremost is the kids. So be aware of that. Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah.